Welcome, my friends. Welcome, all of you. Welcome, all of you, on this new platform. I know you will enjoy to learn your English subject with the help of technology. Let's begin then. Do you like to travel? Yes, obviously. You must. Every person travels for different reasons. Each person has his different goal. Though there are hindrances, difficulties, you tries to reach at the goal. Similarly, the same difficulties we face in the journey of our life. The poet Walt Whitman guides us how to walk on our path in the journey of life. He wrote the Song of the Open Road. The poem is taken from the collection named Leaves of Grass. What do you know about the poet Walt Whitman? Let's see in your book on the page number 94. Walt Whitman was born in 1819 and died at the age of 72 in 1892. He was an American poet, essayist, and journalist. Whitman is among the most influential poets in the American canon and is often called the father of free verse. In the 11th class, you have learned the type of poems and the poem free verse. He grew up in Huntington in a family with difficult economic status. His major work, Leaves of Grass, was published in July 1855. His O Captain, My Captain, a poem written on the death of Abraham Lincoln, is widely popular. Okay, here is the short information about Walt Whitman is provided in the first paragraph. So, as he is the American poet, essayist, journalist, he is influential poet in American canon. It means he has the impact over over the readers at the contemporary period. The father of free verse is called it because he could write beautiful free verse. He grew up in Huntington in a family with difficult economic status. His major work, Leaves of Grass, was published in 4 July 1855. And the poem O Captain, My Captain is famous all over the world. Let's see the short information about the poem in the next paragraph. The section 1 of the poem Song of the Open Road from Leaves of Grass is beautiful blend of self-awareness, free will and tenderness of heart. It gives us poets realization that along the journey of life, one will face a test of wisdom which is not tested in any school or university. Okay, in that paragraph uh, you may have got idea about the book or the poem which is taken from the collection Leaves of Grass, and it is the part of that book. Song of the Open Road is the poem which is the part of Leaves of Grass. So that poem is a kind of ode. You may call the ode on oneself. Ode means the poem which is written on particular matter. Similarly, here the poet is also writing this poem on the human matter, and that is why the poet is a kind of ode. It gives us poets realization that along the journey of life, one will face आपण आपल्या जीवन प्रवासामध्ये ज्या प्रकारचं अनुभव घेत असतो, स्वतःची जाणीव निर्माण होत असते. आपल्यामध्ये असणारे जे काही उणिवा आहेत, चांगले गुण आहेत, या गुणांचं ज्ञान आपल्याला होत असतं. काही लोक आपल्याला परीक्षण करण्यासाठी भेटत असतात, त्यांचे रिमार्क आपल्याला भेटत असतात आणि अशा वेगवेगळ्या अनुभवातून आपण पुढे जात असतो, आपलं जीवन जगत असतो. आणि म्हणून कवी असं म्हणतो की हा अनुभव आपल्याला कुठल्याही शाळेमध्ये किंवा विद्यापीठामध्ये मिळत नाही आहे, शिकून मिळत नाही आहे, तर तो आपल्या जीवन प्रवासामध्ये सहजासहजी उपलब्ध होत असतो, ज्ञान मिळत असतं. आणि म्हणून तो असं म्हणतो, अ टेस्ट ऑफ विजडम विच इज नॉट टेस्टेड इन एनी स्कूल ऑर युनिव्हर्सिटी. अ रोड इज समथिंग एव्हरी वन युजेस, whether rich or poor. It forces all levels of people to associate with one another. या प्रवास जो आहे तो हा प्रवास सगळेच लोक करतात, पुअर असोत, रिच असोत. ते त्यांच्याबरोबर काही लोक जोडत जात असतात, काही लोकांशी त्यांचे रिलेशन्स तयार होतात अँड दे लिव्ह विथ देम. दॅट इज वाय से लेवल्स of people to associate with one another. The road signifies mobility. Okay, the title Song of the Open Road. In that title, the word road is signifies the mobility. One can take the road as a point to start over towards something new. रोड या शब्दाचा एखाद्याने अर्थ कशा प्रकारे घ्यायला हवा, तर तो एखादी नवीन गोष्ट ज्या प्रकारे आपण सुरू करतो त्या प्रकारची नवीन गोष्ट सुरू करण्यासाठी वापरलेला एक सिम्बॉलिकल वर्ड रोड असा आहे. अँड विटमन टॉक्स अबाउट द पीपल अँड प्लेसेस. ही आर्ग्यूज अगेन्स्ट स्टेईंग इन वन प्लेस फॉर टू लॉंग, ऑल्दो द हॉस्पिटॅलिटी मे बी ट्रू. The poet or the speaker tells us we should make progress in our life. Don't stay at the same place for a long time. And that is why he argues against staying in one place for too long, although the hospitality may be true. तुम्ही अनुभवलं असेल, जेव्हा एखादा प्रवाह आहे तो प्रवाह वाहत असतो तेव्हा तो स्वच्छ आणि त्या प्रवाहाच्या पाण्याचा आस्वाद सगळेच जण घेतात. पण तोच प्रवाह जर एका ठिकाणी थांबला तर त्याला दुर्गंधी निर्माण होत असते. ते पाणी जे आहे ते पाणी एक डबक्याच्या स्वरूपामध्ये एखाद्या ठिकाणी थांबल्यानंतर त्या पाण्यातून दुर्गंधी प्राप्त होत असते. आणि म्हणून आपण प्रवाही असलं पाहिजे त्या पाण्याप्रमाणे. तशा प्रकारे आपली जर प्रगती, आपण जर आपल्या आयुष्यामध्ये प्रगती करायची असेल तर आपल्याला सतत प्रवाही, त्या झऱ्याप्रमाणे प्रवाही असलं पाहिजे. आणि म्हणून कवी असं म्हणतात की तुम्ही एका ठिकाणी जास्त काळ थांबू नका. सो ही आर्ग्यूज अगेन्स्ट स्टेईंग इन वन प्लेस फॉर टू लॉंग, ऑल्दो द हॉस्पिटॅलिटी मे बी ट्रू. Let's see something about the poem. Okay, we have discussed about the book or the collection of the poems Leaves of Grass, which is published in July 1855 or 4 July 1855. And the poem Song of the Open Road is taken from the same book or the collection. Okay, the poem Song of the Open Road is beautiful blend of self-awareness, free will and tenderness of heart. And in that poem you shall get the theme, or in short, journey of life. The title signifies the meaning journey of life, wisdom, experience in life, which hasn't tested in school or university. The knowledge, the experience we cannot get in our school or college or university, but you will get the all type of knowledge all over the life in your journey of life. The road signifies mobility. One can take the road as a point to start over towards something new. We have to look at the title or the word road, which will be beginning of new thing. He argues against staying in one place for too long, although the hospitality may be true. So all these points we have to be learn from that poem.